Hi, I'm Louise Fischer from O2Grow, and maybe some of you have heard of our exciting new course that we're presenting in collaboration with Huguenot College, and it's called the Advancing Social Cohesion in Groups and in Teams. So I wanted you to meet my partner in crime, maybe Frederik Marais, Dr. Frederik Marais from Huguenot College. So welcome, Frederik.
Thank you, Louise. Yes, we are very excited about this new short course. Grateful that we can work with OTGrow and with you, Louise. We know there's so much wisdom and knowledge coming with it. And of course, the topic is to our hearts. You know, we think this is something that is very important for our community.
Yeah. So maybe just to explain, I think we're going to do it under Sensi. So yeah, maybe people are not quite sure, why Huguenot
Yes.
College or Sensi. So maybe just explain a little bit about that.
Yeah, so at Huguenot College, we have a Center for Social Innovation, Sensi. I'm working there. I'm the director there. So what we do is we focus on the social sector, you know, schools, hospitals, old age homes, NGOs, churches, etc. All people working in this community environment and organizations there. And we really care for them. Let me
Mm,
start there. Uh, Unfortunately, in our society, they don't receive all the support they need. So we
mm,
are a strategic partner for the social sector. And one of the things that we do is we present courses to help leadership in that sector to
mm,
enhance their leadership skills.
mm. Yeah, so and that kind of made us quite a natural partner, I think, especially in
Yes.
terms of Oat Grow just coming not only from cohesion or the stickiness that keeps people together in a group or a team, but really the social cohesion and
Yes.
yeah, maybe just we were talking a little bit just now around polarization in our communities and the role leaders can play to try and bridge that. So yeah, maybe some comments
Yeah.
from your side.
Well, we know in the formal government sector and in the business sector, people find themselves in situations where they work together, sometimes forced to work together, or at least, just being part of a team where you have diversity. Um, but those teams are social constructs. They are people
Mm,
working together.
mm.
And we think the benefit that we can bring from the social sector is to say, we're not in the first place interested in what you produce, but who you are,
Yeah.
and where you're from, what's your name, do you have children, grandchildren, or whatever,
Yeah.
and work from that angle to help people who are in these formal structures or maybe in neighborhoods living together
Mm,
who find it difficult because they don't know how to, in a sense, behave themselves
mm,
in a spontaneous way.
mm.
And I think what we want to achieve here is to people who are leaders of these groups or teams to enhance these skills to build social cohesion in these small groups.
Yeah, and I loved your analogy almost of, we're now 30 years
Yes,
after 94, and it's almost like we've hit that post-honeymoon phase in our relationship. So people are kind of walking on eggshells, so scared to upset anybody, but there are things that are irritating people or
yeah,
and instead of creating a space where let's work through this, let's talk about this
yeah,
irritation and find places where we can meet each other again after these irritations, it's now almost like we're too scared to go there, and so we remain superficial, where we're actually kind of being called to let's go deeper. Let's meet
Yeah.
here on this human shared human place where we can increase the depth of our relationship.
Yes, I think spot on. We're now, 30 odd years in the neo South Africa.
Mm,
We're not in the honeymoon. Uh, uh, we're also post, um, the first phase where people really were excited about the opportunity to learn and work with other people. We are facing the challenges, and for some people, it's just too much. And I
yeah.
think what we want to do in this course is to rekindle that flame to say, you know what? We are all human, and from Huguenot College side, we're a Christian institution, so we are all created to the image of God. We're
Mm,
equal, and if we just take time to listen to each other, again, maybe after there was some irritation or whatever, as you
yeah.
said, you will discover the human across the aisle. And we will all be surprised by what we can learn and benefit from each other if we can work together, um, as in social cohesion.
Yeah. Thank you so much. That's so beautiful, Frederick. So, were you calling anybody who leads a team or facilitates
Yeah.
a group, if you're in the community, if you are training, you're a life coach and you're training online, anywhere where there is a situation of a diverse group of people and you want to learn in very simple ways how that you can be an agent of social a cohesion. So
Yeah.
anybody that's interested in that and it resonates with you, please go to Huguenot College's webpage and sign up for the workshop, for the course, the short course. And
Yeah.
yeah, we hope to see you there and meet you there.
Louise, we at Sensi, we like to say, if people say, I can't do this, and then we add, not yet.
Yeah.
So maybe if you listen to this and you say, oh no, I'm fed up for all these
Mm,
political correctness, etc. And I can't do that. I was just brought up,
mm,
in a diverse community.
mm.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Come and join us.
I love that. I love that. Yeah, please come and join us. Thanks so much, Frederik.
Thank you, Louise. Hope to see many of you in the course.
Thank you.